Are you eager to earn in dollars from home through Fiverr? Many new freelancers struggle with profile creation. In this tutorial, we will guide you on creating a successful Fiverr profile. By the end, you will have a professional profile that attracts clients on Fiverr. Start by registering on fiverr.com. Go to www.fiverr.com. Click on Join. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook. Confirm your email address. Next, fill in your basic information. Include your full name and choose a username. Upload a clear, smiling profile picture for a professional look. Now, write a compelling profile description. For example, you can say, I am a Malayalam speaking freelance voice-over artist. Mention your services like voice-overs and script writing. Highlight your commitment to high quality, on-time delivery. Then, list your skills and education. Add skills relevant to your services, like voice-over and Canva. Indicate your language proficiency in Malayalam and English. Add your educational qualifications as well. Linking your social media accounts is optional. However, it adds credibility. Consider connecting your Facebook, LinkedIn, or Behance profiles. Finally, create your first gig. Click on Create a new gig. Fill in the gig title, description, pricing, images, and estimated delivery time. To enhance your profile, here are some tips for Malayalam freelancers. Ensure your profile photo shows your face clearly and includes a smile, avoiding filters. Your description should be simple and focused on your skills to build trust. Be sure your listed skills match the services you offer. Basic or conversational English skills are generally sufficient. In summary, we covered how to register on Fiverr and complete your profile. You learned the importance of a professional photo, a good description, and relevant skills. Now, take action. Create your Fiverr profile today and start your freelancing journey. For more tips, subscribe to our blog for updates on freelancing in Malayalam.